Hitler and Terminator Boy. Hit for 6 in Effortville, Clarendon.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Two of Clarendon's most wanted men, 25-year-old Leon Rose, otherwise called Hitler, the reputed leader of the Bushman gang, and 24-year-old Zemmar Nelson, known as Terminator Boy, has so far been identified among the 6 men who were shot and killed by members of the security forces in the Effortville community on the outskirts of Maypen in Clarendon on Sunday morning, the 2nd of August. Both men were wanted in relation to murders, shootings, and gang-related activities. The men were cut down during a joint police-military operation in the Buzzrock area of the community during a shootout which lasted for about an hour, this according to law enforcement sources. 2 Jamaica Defence Force soldiers also received minor injuries in the operation. Reports are that Jamaica Defence Force personnel reportedly went in search of thugs in the area who are believed to be aligned to the notorious Bushman gang, during which they came under heavy gunfire from men in the community. The soldiers who received support from the Jamaica Constabulary Force returned the fire, and 6 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds after the extended gun battle ended. They were all pronounced dead at hospital. 3 high-powered weapons, 1 AK-47 assault rifle, 1 M16 and a shotgun, along with ammunition, were seized.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.